When you're in the city, every split second holds a story, and sometimes the moment won't wait. And with the right kit, it makes sure you don't either. My name is Jamal Omar. I'm a photographer and filmmaker here in Toronto, and my work revolves around sports and portraiture. But what I enjoy most is capturing moments that could have slipped away. With the EOS R100, I capture it all. My day-to-day, the joy, the grit, the real moments. Photos feel alive, and when I switch to video, I get smooth cinematic footage that pulls you into the story. When the pace picks up, this kit keeps me locked in. The 18 to 45mm lens covers my day-to-day on the streets, while the 55 to 210 brings me closer to the action when I shoot sports. Even handheld, the clarity stays steady, and when the sun goes down, the story still shines through. When you're creating, don't overthink the setup. My advice, don't just take photos, tell stories. Capture those in your community, the energy of sports, and the quickness of life as it unfolds.